Dawn.
So I like to call myself the ghostwriter of this report because it's really a collection of information from a lot of different sources, and we're obviously working closely with CRMC. But this is different than other special area management plans in that it does not present policy in the document that I am putting together. It will be 2 volumes, and the first volume will present the information that will feed into the policies and standards that are created related to sea level rise and coastal storms. And those policies will be changed in the Red Book, which is CRMC's policy document. Volume 2 will be a collection of technical reports that have been and will be created to support some of the scientific research that's underlying some of the tools that the beach SAMP specifically is creating. So for instance, some of the work that Brian was speaking about earlier and some of the work that Grover presented on storm tools and the SEER. We have put out for public comment the table of contents, and it lays out these chapters. These are the 7 chapters that will make up the volume 1 of this report. And time, we have also put out for public comment, and it ended the end of January, the introduction. We received 8 comments, and we're incorporating the information from those comments right now for the next draft. And the introduction was put out to public comment at this point to sort of get people to understand where we're going with the document, but at the conclusion of writing all of the chapters, we'll put it out for public comment again and probably make some edits before we do that to make sure it still reflects what actually is in the document. The two chapters that are currently under development are the guidance for addressing coastal hazards locally and the guidance for coastal development permitting. So addressing hazards locally, it will inform municipalities as to how to undertake an assessment of their coastal areas with respect to sea level rise and coastal hazards. And then the chapter 6 is more from CRMC's perspective. What sorts of things when an applicant goes to apply for some sort of development, new or substantially changed, substantial improvement, development, what things do they need to do to prepare for coastal hazards and sea level rise?